Your company's most valuable information is trapped inside the backend database, making it almost impossible for regular team members to access or understand it. MEII fixes this by connecting your different database systems. Connecting takes only few seconds. Simply enter your database credentials and select the specific tables that you want to use. Now, the system will link it up. You don't have to change your data or reorganize anything. From here, you can just search for the specific tables that you want to use, select them, and give your workbench a new name. May will handle all the organizations for you. Once you click the Start button, May goes to work in the background. It reads through everything and automatically figures out how all your different files connect with each other. This means you do not need any computer skills or technical knowledge at all. In just a moment, the system builds a smart helper that understands your company data completely. The moment your new helper is ready, you can finally talk to your data. Normally, if you want any answers, you have to wait for days for a technical team member to write a clean code or to make any reports. But with May AI, anyone on your team can just click on the project and start typing. You do not have to learn any confusing technical words to get what you need. It completely removes the barrier between your team and the information that they need to do their jobs. To start using, simply navigate to the chat section on the side menu and select your new project. The system instantly loads a clear and helpful breakdown that summarizes what your new digital assistant can do. Now, you can check the prices, find the names, or look up the details by using a simple language. May will give you the live answers and there is no guesswork. Build smarter, execute faster.